making change happen nationally. You've seen him on Oprah. He's been there at the Emmys. He's all over the place, and deservedly so. Our award for Best Emmy, Oprah, and CL approved historian, USF St. Pete's, Ray Arsenault.
Thank you. This is so much more fun than Oprah or the Emmys. Thank you. Go Freedom Riders.
Ray, thank you very much for sitting with me here real quick. Winning a Creative Loafing Award, Best of the Bay Award, how does that compare with an Emmy, or even better, with meeting Oprah?
Well, it's the best.
Oh my goodness.
I just came back from California. I was at the Emmy Awards, and
Where you won 3, or the Freedom Riders won 3,
I
correct?
did. And I got to hold the Emmys and caress them for a while, but didn't get to bring one home.
Oh, that's not right.
That wasn't the filmmakers, so but it was great to be there.
I would assume
but this is better. I get to keep this.
Yeah, that's right. I was going to say, if you had given you an Emmy, you'd have it right now, right? It would be right here. So now you have to carry that around with you everywhere.
This is even better.
It's even better.
It's been a wild ride. It's been fabulous.
Speaking of the wild ride, just real quick, what was it like to meet Oprah? Come on, that's what everyone really wants to know.
You know, I think if I won a Nobel Prize, people would know.
They were fortunate Oprah, right? Did you shake Oprah's hand?
I did. I said
With your right? Will you touch me with that hand? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Actually, she was really cool. She was very warm and gracious and genuinely moved by the Freedom Rider story.
And you got it in under the wire. She's gone now. Or basic cable, same thing, gone.
Well, you know, she went to Tennessee State, and that was the institution that produced more Freedom Riders than any other university.
There you go.
It was a natural for her coming to Mississippi, growing up in Nashville. So, in fact, her father is still a barber, just as many of the Freedom Riders in Nashville.
Is that right?
But she was fabulous. It was quite a thrill.
And so if you had to rank them, CL Award, Emmy, Oprah.
Oh, I think CL Award is number one.
Wow, okay.
Maybe Oprah number 2. I don't know. It's close.
Wow, well that is Emmy voters.
Nothing like a
There you
local.
go. No, yeah, that we agree.
It's nice to be a prophet in your own country.
That's exactly. Well, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.